Hello, my dear students. Welcome again. This is Miss Maybad, your English teacher. We will continue studying Connect 4. Today, we are going to study Review 1, Lesson 1. Please make sure that you bring your books to all our sessions. You should also bring along papers and a pen. That's all you need to enjoy our lesson together. So let's begin. Do you remember Units 1, 2, and 3? We are going to review the language and the topics from the 3 units. Let's open together page 62. I want you to look at this board game. دي بنسميها board game. كلمة start يعني البداية. هنبدأ من البوكس اللي قدام كلمة start وهنخلص عند كلمة finish. Take a look at the numbers. النمبرز السيكونس بتاعهم 1, 2, 3 and then we go down one step 4, 5, 6 down one step 8, 9 down one step 10, 11, 12 and the last row 13, 14 and 15 and this is how we answer or solve the board game. Now we will listen to the audio and I want you to point at the words while you are listening to the audio.
Review 1, Lesson 1, page 62, Exercise 1. Listen and point. 1,
Seeds.
2,
Watermelon.
3,
Fennec fox.
4,
Crocodile.
5,
Eagle.
6,
Leaf.
7,
Onions.
8,
Shoot.
9,
Snake.
10,
Spider.
11,
Root.
12,
Sugar cane.
13,
Flower.
14,
Lungs.
15.
Camel.
Now let's look at the words again one more time. Do you remember the words? Let's write them together. Number 1. What are these? Very good. Seeds. Can I say seed? Of course I can't because I have more than one seed. So I have to use the plural form. So let's write together the word seeds. Can you spell it? S-E-E-D-S. Very good. Do you know number 2? It's a fruit. We like it a lot in summer. Very good. It's a watermelon. So let's write together the word watermelon. نخلي بالنا من حاجة. كلمة watermelon is a compound word. يعني كلمة water لوحدها تعني المية وكلمة melon لوحدها يعني الشمام. بس watermelon together means البطيخة. فلازم نحط ال 2 words without leaving space between them because it's a compound word. Let's go to number 3. We studied this animal before and we talked about it before. Very good. The fennec fox. Excellent. May I leave space between fennec and fox? Yes, because it's a phrase of 2 words. So let's write together fennec fox. Very good, my dear boys and girls. Let's look at number 4. What is it? Excellent. It's a crocodile. It's a long word a little bit, but let's spell it together. Let's take it bit by bit. So, croco, C-R-O-C-O, and then D-I-L-E. So, crocodile. Number 5. We also studied this animal before, or this bird before. What is it? Very good. It's an eagle. It's an eagle. طب لاحظتوا حاجة؟ إن أنا قلت an eagle. Why did I say an? ليه استخدمت الارتكل an مش a? Because the word eagle starts with E, starts with a vowel. So before the vowels, I say an, not a. Let's go to number 6. What is it? It's a part of a plant. Excellent. It's a leaf. Leaf. So L, E, A, and F. May I say leaves? Of course, I can't say leaves because it's one leaf. So again, I am going to use the singular form, not the plural form. ولو هستخدم البلورال form لازم أحول ال F to V فهتبقى الكلمة leaves. Number 7. What is it? Very good. Onions. Onions. Excellent, my dear boys and girls. Let's look at number 8. We talked about this before. We said it's a small plant. What did we call the small plant? Very good. Shoot. Excellent. وعايزين برضو نخلي بالنا من حاجة. في كلمات بتحتمل أكتر من معنى. So it depends على الصورة أو على سياق الكلام. يعني كلمة shoot بتعني النبتة الصغيرة. وبرضو كلمة shoot بتعني hunt or kill. Let's go to number 9. What is it? It's one of the desert reptiles. Very good. It's a snake. So it's a reptile that lives in the desert. It's poisonous. It's a snake. Let's go to number 10. What is it? Excellent. It's a spider. So خدتوا بالكم من هنا ان انا قلت a spider ما قلتش an because it starts with letter S. So ما ينفعش نقول an spider بنقول a spider. So let's write the word spider together. S P I D E R. Number 11. What is it? Very good. This is the part that we can't see. The part that grows under the soil. It's a root. Very good. So let's write together. Root. Number 12. Number 12, تاني compound word. It's called sugar cane. يعني sugar لوحدها بتعني السكر وكين بتعني stick. طيب الاتنين مع بعض sugar cane is a compound word that means القصب اللي احنا بنحب نشربه. So let's write together sugar cane. Without space because it's a compound word. We will go to number 13. What is it? Look. Very good. It's a flower. Do you know how to write flower? Let's write it together. F L O W E and R. وفي flower تاني اللي هو الدقيق بس they are different in spelling. Look at this, the respiratory system. It's a very important organ in the body. Excellent. Lungs. Lungs. L-U-N-G-S. The last one is the animal that we talked about before. The animal that lives in the desert. And he doesn't drink so much water. What animal is it? Very good. It's a camel. It's a camel. So, exercise number 2. Look and write. We already wrote, but let's look again at the pictures and revise the words together. Number 1, seeds. Number 2, watermelon. Number 3, fennec fox. Number 4, crocodile. Number 5, eagle. Number 6, leaf. Number 7, onions. Number 8, shoot. Number 9, snake. Number 10, spider. Number 11, root. Number 12, sugar cane. Number 13, flower. Number 14, lungs. And number 15, it's a camel. Very good, my dear boys and girls. Now let's play. Let's look at exercise number 3, play and say. We can play this game together. You are going to take a look again at the board game. And you are going to memorize all the numbers with the words. هنلعب لعبة مع بعض. هنبص على البورد جيم وهنحاول نحفظ الأرقام والكلمات. ولما أسألكوا على الرقم من غير ما تبصوا في الكتب تقولوا لي كانت الصورة إيه. So let's play the game together. One more time. You are going to memorize the numbers and the words. When I say the number, you shout out the word. And please don't look at your books. So all of you, close your books. Are you ready? Let's play together. Okay, number 5. What is it? Very good. It's an eagle. And remember to say an before the vowel. Let's play again. Number 8. What is it? Excellent. It's a shoot, the small plant. How about number 3? What is it? Do you want some clues? It's an animal that we learned about before. And this animal lives in the desert. No, not the camel, the fennec fox. Very good. What is number 4? Crocodile. Excellent. And what is number 12? I will give you a clue. It's a compound word. Something that we like to drink. Very good. Number 12 is a sugar cane. How about number 13? What is it? It's a part of a plant. It's a flower. Very good. What is number 1? Seeds. Very good, my dear boys and girls. And now the last one. what is number 15? The animal that we like and we learned about before. It lives in the desert and it doesn't drink too much water. The camel, very good. Excellent, my dear boys and girls. We really had fun. And now, let's have more fun and color together the digestive system. So exercise number 4, read and color the digestive system. يعني ايه digestive system؟ يعني الجهاز الهضمي. Let's revise together some words related to the digestive system. The mouth, بقنا. The large intestine. The large intestine, as you see, are containing the small intestine. And we have the esophagus. What's the esophagus? The esophagus is a canal between the mouth and the stomach. هو عبارة عن قناة بتوصل البق بالبطن. And of course, we have also the stomach. Let's have some fun. Prepare your colors and let's color together the digestive system. Which colors do we want? We need red, orange, blue, green, and also we need pink. Let's read and color together. Color the mouth red. So all of you grab your red color and let's color the mouth together. Very good. نخلي بالنا دايما بتكلم عن النطق الصحيح. لازم لما يكون عندي TH أقول mouth وأطلع لساني سنة لبره. لو قلتها mouse أنا غيرت معنى الكلمة تماما من بق لفار، فلازم أنطق صح. Color the esophagus orange. تاني، يعني إيه esophagus؟ القناة اللي بتوصل ما بين الفم والزور والبطن. اسمه بالعربي المريء. We want the orange color to color the esophagus. So let's color the esophagus together. Very good, my dear boys and girls. Now it's time to color the small intestine. الأمعاء الدقيقة اللي هي بتبقى جوه الأمعاء الغليظة. The large intestines are outside and the small intestine are inside. Right. So let's grab the blue color and let's color the small intestines. They are a little bit complicated because they are full of folds. هم فيهم تنيات كتير فصعب شوية ان احنا نلونهم بس هنحاول. Excellent, my dear boys and girls. Now it's time to grab your green color and color the large intestine. Where are they? Very good. They are containing the small intestine. هو اللي موجود حوالين الأمعاء الدقيقة. So we are going to color it in green. Very good, my dear boys and girls. Now, the last color we want is pink. And let's color the stomach. Where's the stomach? Very good. This part is the stomach. الstomach بتوصل ما بين الesophagus and the intestines. Okay? So we are going to color the stomach in pink. ولو بصينا على شكل stomach هنلاقيها bean-like shape. يعني هي شبه البين شوي. So let's color the stomach in pink. Very good. Let's revise the words together. Mouth, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine, and stomach. Exercise number 5. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. We have a word bank. قلنا سمينا ده قبل كده word bank. وتعالوا نشوف الكلمات اللي فيه. Waste, gastric juice, small intestine, esophagus. Number 1 says, the goes from the mouth to the stomach. احنا لسه قايلينها. اسمه ايه اللي بيوصل ما بين المouth والمعدة؟ Very good. The esophagus. So let's write it together. Esophagus. Number 2. The digests food. يعني بيساعد على الهضم وهو acidic liquid. Very good. The gastric juice. So gastric juice. واسمها بالعربي العصارة الهضمية. Number 3. From the stomach food goes to the. الstomach بتدخل الأكل فين؟ Very good. The small intestine. So small intestine. The last one. The large intestine removes waste. Very good. يعني ايه كلمة waste؟ Waste, the unwanted things that we have inside our digestive system. Okay? الحاجات اللي احنا عاوزين جسمنا يطردها بره اسمها waste. Very good, my dear boys and girls. Point and say. This girl is pointing and saying, what's this? And the other one said, it's the mouth. It's the beginning of the digestive system. طبعا المouth هو أول حاجة أول organ في digestive system. Very good, my dear boys and girls, today. Next lesson, we will be writing about a desert animal. I want you to do some research about a desert animal and to bring the information to the next lesson. We are going to have loads of fun as usual. See you next time. Bye-bye.